Working with structured analytical data and received an AZI file from an intelligence or decision analysis team. This is a specialized modeling format for rigorous probabilistic analysis. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Analytica files contain and how to access the data. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single robust AZI file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. AZI files are data files created by Analytica, a visual modeling and decision analysis software platform from Lumina Decision Systems. They contain quantitative models with influence diagrams, probability distributions, decision variables, data tables and Monte Carlo simulation, parameters used for risk analysis, strategic planning, and intelligence assessments. AZI files are data files created by Analytica, a visual modeling and decision analysis software platform from Lumina Decision Systems. They contain quantitative models with influence diagrams, probability distributions, decision variables, data tables, and Monte Carlo simulation, parameters used for risk analysis, strategic planning, and intelligence assessments. The operating system preferentially attempts to open AZI using Analytica for intelligence from Analytica Corp. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows provides only superficial insight, so understanding the data requires the correct software. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the AZI file and choose Open With. Use Analytica for intelligence first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If your AZI file isn't cooperating, don't worry. If you're still with me, that AZI file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, opening an Analytica. Launch Analytica from Lumina Decision Systems and open the AZI file using File then Open. The influence diagram displays all model variables with their connections. Click individual nodes to examine their definitions, probability distributions, and computed results. Run Monte Carlo simulations to generate probabilistic output distributions for decision analysis. Next, using Analytica Free Edition. Download Analytica Free 101 from lumina.com, which opens AZI files with model size limitations. The free edition displays influence diagrams, lets you examine variable definitions and run basic simulations. This is suitable for reviewing shared models and performing small-scale analyses without a full commercial Analytica license. Finally, exporting model results. In Analytica, export simulation results and data tables to CSV or Excel format using the export function from the result tables. Copy influence diagram graphics to the clipboard for inclusion in reports and presentations. Export the complete model documentation as HTML or PDF for sharing analytical findings with stakeholders who do not use Analytica. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit FileMagick.com for more info. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.